Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot at a used lot, and we're going to look at a Porsche 718 Cayman. How about that? It's a 2018 in black, just the way we like it. This is not the S model, so this one only gets the 2-liter turbo at 300 horsepower. All right. It's a 2018. It has 10,000 miles on it, about. We get Michelin's all seasons, which I'm really surprised at, honestly. 235/45 ZR18s. They look like they're in good condition. I'm just kind of disappointed we didn't get turn signal mirrors on this. The window sticker's in the window from new, and we'll get to that in a minute. How about that? It's still got the stickers on it. I wonder what the person did with it. I mean, this is an automatic also, no roof. All right, so the back tires look good too. Nice drilled and slotted rotors, drilled rotors, nice. Maybe the fronts are, how about that? This wing presumably goes up and down based on speed, but there's also a button to leave it up. And so they have left it up. Now I will tell you, when you leave it up, you get schmutz underneath there. So might not be a bad idea to keep it down when you are parked. Okay, so wish this was the S. You'd get a 2.5 and way more horsepower. You're going to get under 5 seconds probably to 60 in this. Motor Trend says it's one of the best driving cars of the year, even though, you know, it's only 4 cylinders. So how about that? Not bad. Nice. Hey, nobody sits in the back anyways, right? Keyless, presumably. There's no key. Too bad. Got to open it from inside. So here's your numbers. 2229. This is from new. It is $62,320. I will say an interesting option is the automatic, which is $3,210. The Porsche PDK automatic. The $470 for heated steering wheel too. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. And let's see here. What was the other thing? Oh, okay. Cylinders. Now, let's see. Where am I? I can't find myself. Oh, and the Bose system. That's what we'll talk about. It's almost $1,990 for Bose. Okay. And where is it made? Germany. What do you think? 73%, right? In Stuttgart. Engine and transmission was $62,320. The car's $51,900 right here on this used lot with 10,000 miles on it. You would presumably also get the remainder of the Porsche warranty, which I think is 4 years, $50,000. Don't quote me on that, but I think so. 4 years, $50,000. You should get the rest of that warranty. So is that something that'd be of interest to you? Maybe. You might enjoy that. Maybe. You don't see them too often. Now it's at a used car lot, right? There's the Escape over there, but I mean, it's just at a little used car lot. By the way, they have a Maserati GT here as well. So they keep a lot of exotics hanging around here. So there you go. All right, that's the 718 though for the day. And I don't know, might be your next car to go to work with. Maybe. 51.9, it could be yours. Thanks for watching.